Okay, so let's talk about this particular expression here. Okay, so notice that I have y squared is equal to 4x squared. Okay, now I just want to take a moment to realize that, okay, if you put in x equals 2, what's going to happen here? This is going to actually result in two answers for y. Because if I write this as, in fact, I'm going to get y equals 4 and y equals -4. Okay? And the way to see this is solve for y. Put it as y equals, and if I take the square root of both sides, because it's a square root, I have to consider plus or minus. Okay? So that means y equals plus or minus the square root of 4x squared, which is equal to plus or minus, well, the square root of 4 times the square root of x squared, which equals plus or minus 2x. Okay, which means I get plus or minus 2 times 2, which equals plus or minus 4. And the reason why I'm showing you this is because this is an example of where I have a relationship between y and x. But because I get two different values of y, it's not a function. It's a relationship, or what we call a relation, but it is not a function. Because remember, the definition of a function is that for every value of x that you put into the function, you only get one value of y, exactly one value of y. Here we get two, so it's not a function. It's a relation, but not a function. That's it.